Success is relative for each person. For some people, success is getting a lot of money, for others having health and an attractive body, or simply living a full and happy life. Whatever your definition of success is, there is no doubt that in order to achieve our idea of success, we have to work for it. But things are not that easy. When we start working for our goals, we realize that they require effort and dedication, something that is not easy to do for all people. We have all set ourselves a task or a goal that we want to achieve, whether it's losing weight, starting a new business, or kicking a bad habit. But we quickly lose motivation or get tired. It is as if our own brain were sabotaging our plans so as not to get what we want. That is why today I bring you how to change the way you seek success. In this video, we are going to see how you can trick your brain into liking doing difficult things. The reason why we don't like to do productive things is because they don't generate enough dopamine in our brain. Dopamine is a hormone and neurotransmitter made by our brain. Dopamine is the hormone responsible for giving us pleasure and motivation. We naturally generate dopamine by eating and having sex. But in today's world, there are many things that keep us stimulated and generating high dopamine levels. For example, scrolling through social media, playing video games, watching porn, or even eating sugary and greasy food. The problem is that living in the modern world makes us constantly generate high levels of dopamine, and this makes us generate a high level of tolerance. As a consequence of this, we no longer like activities such as reading, going to the gym, or studying, since they generate a lower dopamine level than activities such as using social networks, eating junk food, or using drugs. To try to trick our brain into liking activities that help us improve ourselves, we must do a dopamine detox. The dopamine detox consists of stopping all activities that are high in dopamine, so the receptors in your brain rest and return to natural dopamine levels. During the period that you do the detox, you will avoid to overdo things like using social media, listening to music, eating junk food, and masturbating. I know this sounds very difficult, but if you want to see results, you have to work hard. Surely you're going to get bored, but that's the point. When you're bored, you're going to do productive things like cleaning your house, exercising, or reading. When you adopt this habit, you will increasingly do the things that make you progress in life and take the path to become the person you want to be. If you liked the video and we consider that the information that I have just shared is interesting and can help more people to be the best version of themselves, I recommend you subscribe to continue receiving valuable and interesting information. Thanks for watching Blue Finance, and see you in the next video.